Target parking lot. It is Monday and it is pouring rain. You could probably hear it. I have to run into Target to get a few things that I saw on TikTok and some chargers and food for the house and stuff like that. Why is my hair this knotty? Oh my god. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna go to Primark and like the mall after because it's raining and I want to get my steps in, and I've been so lazy today. I'm also so tan, like too tan, that I need to like let it settle down for a bit. I tanned outside yesterday for all day and then I put on Tan Lux at night and it's so dark. But I just put on the new Road Barrier Restore Cream. Look at that glow. I'm so excited for the glazing fluid to come in, but follow me into Target. I brought my bags this time. I always forget them. And yeah, I'll show you guys what I get. Here is a little overview of some of the things I got today. I just kind of organized it from fridge to pantry. So here's some fridge stuff. I went to Trader Joe's too. And I think I'm gonna make tacos tonight. Daniel's getting home really late from work. So that's my fridge stuff. This is kind of my like beauty stuff that goes upstairs. They have an Ulta in Target now, and I heard this is the #1 mascara like at the moment. I saw it on TikTok, so I'm gonna try that. Candle for the bathroom. I'm gonna try oil pulling again. I used to do it where you like swish coconut oil in your mouth. It's like a holistic thing. I used to like it, so I'm gonna start again. A charger, toothpaste, Drano, and then here's all like the pantry snack stuff. This is new at Trader Joe's. I'm excited to try this. And then there's like canned goods and stuff that goes over there. So I'm gonna put all this away, and I'm also gonna gut this whole pantry and just start fresh. Keep the good stuff, throw out the bad, and make it really cute in here. So here's the before. So this is the after. So many good snacks all put away. These are lifesavers, and they kind of make us go through things faster because we just take this out to eat and then close it up, put it back, and it won't like go stale. So it's easier to just like take this out and not have to deal with the bag and stuff. But I'm obsessed. It feels so clean and organized. Now I have to do all the fridge stuff. I'm currently sitting outside. It is almost 9 p.m. and it is so bright out still. I'm literally watching the sunset right now. It's so pretty. I have to turn the camera around and show you guys. But I've had a pretty chill, nice day today. I woke up and I showed you guys a clip of just me eating my little breakfast outside by the pool. I went into the pool for a little bit, went inside, I showered, and then I did my skincare, felt super clean, and then I went to the mall because I wanted to just like walk around and just like see what's new at Sephora and stuff. I didn't end up getting anything, but yeah, I just wanted to walk around, and then I came home, I made some lunch, and then I started Love Island season 8 UK, which is already amazing, by the way. And I'm only on like episode 4, and it's so good. Normally it takes me till like episode 10 to like be fully invested. But yeah, Daniel gets home around 9:30 tonight, so I'm waiting for him to get home for us to like eat something a little later. And then tomorrow is Wednesday. I'm not sure what I have yet to do. I'm definitely gonna upload a YouTube video, and then I don't know yet, but I'm just enjoying the beautiful, peaceful night. It's actually insane how peaceful it is right now. I'm gonna show you guys. The sunset right now is insane. Good morning, everyone. It is a Wednesday. I'm currently getting ready for a solo beach day down at the Jersey Shore. I'm so excited. I haven't been to the beach yet this year. Well, the sun's crazy. So I just got ready. I have my little bikini on and a little cover up, but I just packed a cute little lunch in a cooler. And I love doing that. I feel like my whole life, my mom always packed the snack in like lunch cooler, and it was like my favorite thing ever. And now I got to do it, and it was so fun. Like I put little goldfish in a little baggie, like just loved it. But yeah, I'm getting ready to go now. I'm really excited. I have my book and I'm gonna read and just chill, maybe like go feel the water. I'm so excited. I'm just finishing up my little piece of toast from the farmer's market. So I'll bring you along on my fun little beach day. And then I'm hearing back from a job today, so I'm really excited. Not if I got it or not, it's kind of more next steps. But everything's going good. I'm really like happy to be back vlogging and talking to you guys. Someone said a comment that was so sweet on my last video that was like, I feel like we're on FaceTime, and that's just like kind of my favorite thing. I feel like I'm talking to you guys through FaceTime. Which I kind of love. I love watching videos that are like that. So yeah, let me bring you guys along my beach day, and yeah. Perfect little setup. Oh my god, it's so cute. I also just filled up one of these with the cold ocean water, and then it's a fan too. So I'm gonna read my book, chill, eat my snacks, and have the best beach day. It's actually the most perfect beach day. It's such a nice light breeze. Look at my little setup over here. It's so cute. Time for lunch. Let's see what I packed. Oops. So I have popcorn, goldfish, pickles from the farmer's market that are really, really good. Wow, this ice actually stayed pretty cold. My sandwich. Whoa. These are dark chocolate covered cashews, a chia seed pack, pineapple and cherries, a little bar, a water bottle. So I'm gonna have my little sandwich now, maybe some goldfish, and I'm currently baking. Look how tan I got. Yeah, it's beautiful. Hi guys, it's so bright. Oh my god. I am outside because it's so beautiful out. But I just took a shower. Nothing is better than a post-beach shower. Holy bright. Also, look how blonde my hair gets when I lay out, especially at the beach. It's insane. Like, even my baby hairs are like white. But I just got a few packages in I wanted to show you guys because they're from some of my favorite brands. One of the first ones is Argento Vivo, and their jewelry. And they sent me this green, gorgeous beaded necklace. Matches my stack perfectly. Green is my color. And then they sent me this middle finger ring, the little green stone. So cute. And then I'll show you the rest. I just have to flip my camera. They sent this really cool earring, and I love a cool earring. It goes on your first hole, and it kind of goes over your lobe and under your lobe. It looks really cool on. And then this really pretty paper clip necklace. And then I have to show you the earrings. I forgot I have them in. But The Way also sent me shampoo and conditioner. This is my favorite all time for everyday shampoo and conditioner. I get the medium one. I've probably talked about it before because it's my all-time favorite. And then Yes Bars, which are literally so good, and the ingredients are insane. They just came out with 2 new flavors, apple cinnamon crisp and peanut butter dark chocolate. I just had one of these. It's insane. I normally get them at my local coffee shop in the city, and I reached out to them because I love them so much. Look at the ingredients. Like, are you kidding me? And it tastes so good. I'm obsessed. I'll literally eat all of these like within the next 2 weeks. They're so good and they have so many good flavors. But let me show you the earrings real quick. These are the earrings. This little 3 hoop earring, it's so cute. And then like the one I was talking about before kind of goes over your ear here and then like underneath. It kind of looks like that, super cool. But I just wanted to show you that before me and Daniel go grab dinner. We might go out on a little date because it's so nice out and we're down by the shore. It's such a fun beach day. We are actually gonna go tomorrow because Daniel's off on Thursdays. So we're gonna go to the beach tomorrow together, which should be really fun. So I'm gonna lay out again, read my book, and pack us a little lunch. I have Rhode Beauty Skin on my face. The RBC, no, BRC, Barrier Restore Cream, something like that, which I desperately needed after my beach day. And I really like it. It makes my skin really glowy. Me and Daniel are going out to eat by the water, and sun is setting. It's so pretty. This is my outfit. Top is from Primark, and so are my shorts, and then shoes are Chloe. It's all about balance. We're eating somewhere over here. This is where we're eating. It's called the Boondocks. I mean, this is just screaming summer. Oh my god, look how cute this car is. This is our view to where we're sitting. Got a Pure Leaf. We got a ton of food. I can't wait to show you guys. So hungry. It's so pretty out. This is a Cajun grouper sandwich, lobster bisque, lobster dinner, lobster roll. Oh my god. We're getting ice cream at this place called Nicholas, I think. Do you want it, Daniel? I got butter pecan with cake crunch. Good morning, everyone. It is Thursday. Don't mind the bed behind me. We're washing the sheets today. But I'm shooting for tan lines today, so I'm on Ayla's bathing suit and active brand. Look how cute this bikini is, and this little cover up. I'm obsessed. It ties around, or you could just tie it in the back. Really cute, slightly high-waisted bottoms. It's brown, it's not black. And a little tie here. So cute. So I'm gonna take some pictures for them today with Daniel at the beach. I have another bikini, they gave me 2. It's all brown, and then one of these in brown. So I'm gonna go make our little beach lunch, and then we're gonna head down. Good morning, guys. It's Friday. I'm in this really cute new skin set that they sent me. I literally will be living in this all summer. I got a medium in top and bottom, and I want every single color. It is so cute, but I'm gonna wear it while I'm like cleaning around the house today. During the week, me and Daniel just kind of get a little messy, so we're gonna clean it up. Also, I just filmed some TikToks with the new Rhode products, and I'm obsessed. My skin looks so good and glowy. It's not too like thick for summer. It's perfect. It's breathable. It's glowy. It's exactly what I wanted. My skin just feels healthy. It's great. But don't mind my tripod and everything. It's a mess in here. I'm turning this closet into my beauty closet today. It's a nightmare in here. So I'm gonna probably have towels and stuff up here, but this whole shelf and maybe the lower one, I need like backstock, because in here, like I have all of these like products that it's hard to get to. So I would rather like move all this and all of that. And I have a lot of stuff in our shower. Like, that's not okay. Need to move half of it into here and just kind of make it more organized. It's a beautiful day, but I've been laying out every single day. Like, I'm so tan, this is natural, that I just kind of need a break. So I'm gonna be inside today for a bit. Maybe I'll go for a walk. I have to go to Costco. I'm also like so nervous about the job situation. It's just such a like unstable process because you never know what's going to happen. You don't know when you're going to hear back, what the next step is. It's kind of very up in the air, and I'm applying to a million other jobs. It's just really hard. And I know a lot of you enjoy when I speak on this because it's definitely like a real life issue. But I just have to stay positive. Everything happens for a reason. And yeah, it's gonna all work out. I love having time off to do YouTube and just like be myself again. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm just praying for this one job, hoping to hear back next week. We will see. But if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. So I'm gonna clean up. I'll show you like a time lapse of the beauty closet too. But yeah.
Started with one day, thought that that's all it was. Thought it would end up.
Quick little update. This is what it's looking like. Just towels, all my extra products. I don't know if I showed you guys this. I definitely showed it in an event, but I have to use these. Bridget is my bestie and she launched rollers. We went to her launch party and I'm dying to try it. How cute is this carry case though? I'll leave the link to buy that down below. First off, this Rhode peptide lip treatment. Absolutely my #1 new favorite. I'm about to buy all of them when they come back in stock. I haven't tried the other flavors. It's watermelon and salted caramel. Just the regular, and it's a little sweet because I was listening to a podcast and they said they put xylitol in it, which is like a sweetener, which I love. But I just got a really good update about the job. So it's looking good. I'm excited. Things are looking good. So I'll keep you guys updated, but I was just so sick to my stomach all day, but I finally got a timeline. I got an update. These look really crooked on my head. But yeah, all about being positive, staying positive, manifesting, and yes.
Started with one day, thought that that's all it was.